Hello kings and queens, I welcome you all back again to my channel, and if you are new here, you are so much welcome. Each pack contains 15 pieces. So this one here is separated, this one not yet. Just want to show you. This hair looks so juicy. I got this from amazon.de. This is my first time doing passion twist, so let's see how this goes. So this is how I separate the hair. Very simple. Just take one of it and start to separate from the bottom and work your way up. Sometimes I just put it in my mouth and separate. So when you stretch it, it's going to separate by itself. I shampooed and deep conditioned my hair with this product. So I'm going to mix all these products together very well and apply it to the hair before braiding. This is African shea butter and my castor oil, all mixed together. I'm gonna feed all my strands with this concoction, and after that I'm going to separate my hair before braiding. Oh my gosh, this mirror is everything, guys. I used this mirror to help me part and it changed the game for me. I hope you look into this mirror and get yourself one, because this mirror is definitely a life changer. So if you don't have one of these, I would definitely recommend you to get one of this mirror. These are the gels I'm going to use to pad the lines and also use to tame down the flyaways before braiding. DIY means simply do it yourself, and I use different kind of method to create this. So now let's start. Hey lovely people, so this is very easy step-by-step beginner friendly tutorial on how I install my passion twist, and the style took me about, I would say, like 5 hours to complete everything. It's not that bad, so it really depends on the thickness of your natural hair or your perm hair and the size you want them to be. And I'm going to use all 6 parts for this style. Hands down on this came out so beautifully. But if you have any question, please feel free and leave me a comment down below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you guys, okay? But please don't forget to share this video and help someone who may be looking to achieve this style as well. And thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like and share, mostly comment. Love you guys. So the first one's just done, looking so juicy, springy and so beautiful. I love it so much. So I realized this one was too big for me. So the next one, I'm gonna use 2 pieces of hair just like this, cross it over and braid. It's as simple as ABC, right? Let me zoom this a little bit for you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. This is one of the simplest but yet great methods to learn how to do passion twist on your own hair. You can do this on yourself, as it involves having to pre-section and braid your hair a little bit, and the end result is always amazing. This method is so great and perfect for all hair types, whether you have natural hair or any curl pattern, such as what the YouTubers are saying, 3A, 3B, 3C, 4A, 4D or whatever. Even if you have a perm relaxed hair or silky hair, this method will be showing you today will keep your hair in place, which prevent the passion twist hair from slipping, okay? And it also allow you to twist from the base of the hair rather than braiding the passion twist hair and then twisting. Yeah, so this tutorial I'm showing you on my hair does not require any rubber band method. This is definitely not a rubber band method at all, but I'm going to create one or two rubber band method just to show you how it also look. Applying the gel, slick it down, section your hair into square or any shape you like, or any random pattern. What I normally do is I simply run my finger through it until it looks like this, and I avoid fluffing the ends of the hair too much, and because I like the wave pattern of the tips of the hair, by only fluffing the middle section to get more defined ends. I plait the section, only the base like this. The reason I plait is just a little of the hair to hold the passion twist hair when I attached it. This method prevents slippage, okay, and it allows you to grip the hair easily. I normally braid 2 to 3 times. Once that is done, you split your own hair together with the passion twist, and then twist and cross. You twist and then you cross, twist, you cross until you are done. And remember, don't twist too tight, slightly tight, okay? This passion twist looks so beautiful. I love it. This is my first time installing such braids. I've never done this before. This is my first time braiding this, having this on my head, and I'm really loving this so much. So this passion twist is a great beautiful hairstyle. Additionally, passion twist on natural hair or permed hair is an ideal protective style for summer and also winter, all weather. Looks so beautiful. Just look at that, how juicy this looks. I love it so much. I'm beginning to love passion twist, like seriously. Let's get back to business. I'm going to braid 2 to 3 times, just like so. Divide this hair into sections, including your own hair. You twist like this, and then you cross, twist, cross, twist, and then you cross. Very simple. Don't make it too tight, slightly tight enough. Yeah, and then you begin to braid all the way down. I normally use so many different kind of method installing this. So the one I'm going to show you right now is I'm going to just make a simple twist, just like so, and then use the same method. I braid 2 to 3 times, divide the hair into sections, including your own hair, and twist and cross, twist and cross, twist and cross. Very simple. Just look at the braids. Very simple and nice. So I use almost all the method you can find on YouTube installing this hair. Yeah. So moving forward, this is where I am now. This hair is looking juicy already, looking so pretty and so nice. I normally don't keep my hair in for that long, but I'm loving this hair so much. And depending on your hair type and how you want to take care of your protective style, your passion twist can last you for maybe like 4 to 10 weeks. Yes, and you don't want to keep this extension in your hair too long, especially if you want to keep your hair healthy, soft and growing. So I'm just going to I don't know, I'm going to keep this in for a whole week, maybe 2 weeks. Let's see how it goes. This is also one of my technique I use, that I normally use. Simply going to rub the hair around, braid it 2 to 3 times depending on the length of your hair, just like so. Divide the hair as usual and twist it. Divide the hair, you twist and cross, you twist and cross. The other method I'm going to use is the knotless method. I love using this a lot whilst installing these braids. Not braid, but twist. Applying the gel to slick it down. I'm going to divide my hair into 5 pieces. So here, as you can see, I'm almost done. So juicy, right? Just look at that, how beautiful this hair looks. I'm loving this hair so much. So I got one more to go. This hair is so amazing. It's freaking beautiful. I love it. And this is color 1. Perfect for my hair color. I love it so much. Giving me life. Just look at that. Beautiful, right? I love it. I'm loving this and I'm feeling myself so much. So I got one more to go. I'm applying the cream or gel to slick it down. Wrap the hair around. Divide the hair into sections and twist and cross. Twist and cross. So you're done. Very simple, right? So this is what I do to hide any hair that is sticking out. I don't add more gel to the end because at the end of the day it's going to poke up again. So what I do is I open the hair, push it in just like so, and begin to twist, and you see the end result very soon. Very simple. You don't need to add more gel. Hidden. Where's my hair? Where is the hair? Hidden. Tips and tricks from me. Take it or leave it. Hallelujah. Oh, I'm so done. Dear Lord, thank you. So now I'm done, and this is my first hairstyle. How do you check it? You do not need to do much to this hair at all. So I'm going to do my best to create different kind of styles with this hair in my next video. Stay tuned for that, okay? Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share, and also comment for. I'm loving this hair so much. Just look at the back side. Oh my god, it's so full. It's lightweight. It has weight to it, but not that bad at all. It's very, very nice, beautiful. So beautiful. This is the back side. And my second hairstyle. How do you check it, girls? Yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving it so much. So yeah, that will be all for today. So see you in my next video. I'm going to make sure to bring you guys some different kinds of style, how I'm going to rock this, okay? So make sure you check that out. Wait for that video. This is my first passion twist and I'm enjoying it. Looks so juicy. Amazing. My third hairstyle. How do you check it? How do you check it? How do you check it? I'm loving this. So see you. Bye bye.